In this video, I will talk about possessions with 13 pronouns. Let's get started. The first pronoun, أنا. In Arabic language, it's different than English language. In Arabic language, for example, you say my house. My by itself and house by itself. In Arabic language, instead of my, we suffix ya. And every pronoun in Arabic has different suffix. We have to memorize all the suffixes. The first step, let's go over the suffixes. The second step, we will do some practicing. For we, نحن, we suffix نون ألف. أنت, you suffix كاف فتحة. أنت, كاف كسرة. أنتما, كما كاف ميم ألف. أنتم كاف ميم كم. أنتن كاف نون. هو هاء الضمة. هي هاء ألف. Dual noun هما, one for male, one for female. We suffix the same. We suffix the same pronoun هما. هم, group of males, we suffix هم. هن, group of females, we suffix هن. Now, this, what I just said, it doesn't make sense because we need to do some practicing so we can see how we do all these suffixes. Let's get started with some practicing. Let's start with kitab. For my book, we say kitabi. So you don't play, you never play with the noun. Keep the noun as it is. You just suffix ya for the word kitab and we pronounce it kitabi. In English, you have my separate and book separate. In Arabic, we have it in one word. Why? Because instead of my, we suffix ya. Let's move on to the other pronoun. نحن. For نحن we say كتابنا. Kitab is the noun and we suffix nun alif to the noun. So instead of our, we suffix nun alif. كتابنا. For أنت, we say كتابك. كتابك. Instead of the pronoun أنت, your book, we don't have it, we suffix كاف فتحة. And the same for أنت, you suffix كاف كسرة. كتابك. For أنتما, we suffix كاف ميم ألف. Again, we don't use all the pronouns. We don't like pronouns. Instead of the pronouns, we suffix all these letters. So you have to memorize all these letters. Let's continue. For أنتم, group of males, we say كتابكم. For أنتن, sorry, I forgot this one. For أنتن, we suffix كاف نون and we say كتابكن. For هو, we suffix ها ضمة, we say it كتابه. كتابه. For هي, كتابها. For هما, both of them are the same, we suffix the same pronoun هما. كتابهما. For هم, we suffix the pronoun هم. كتابهم. For هن as well, we suffix the pronoun كتابهن. So let's read it one more time. كتابي. كتابنا. كتابك. كتابك. كتابكما. كتابكم. كتابكن. كتابه كتابها كتابهما كتابهما كتابهم كتابهن. Again, you leave the noun as it is. You just suffix, so you have to memorize all these suffixes. Let's move on to another example. Okay, now let's do and. And in Arabic language, it's a noun, it's not a verb like English. Because and in Arabic language derived from preposition. I can say أنا عند أختي. I'm with my sister. Or by. So عند in Arabic, it's a noun, it's not a verb. When I say عندي, that means I have. عندي سيارة. I have a car. For the pronoun نحن, we say عندنا. Remember all these suffixes. You have to memorize them. And when you memorize them, make rules to yourself. How you make rules? Let's start from here. This one, you suffix the same. هن هن. هم, you suffix the same pronoun. هما, again. هما, again, the same pronoun. So make rules to yourself when you start memorizing things, because you cannot just keep memorizing for no reason. These 4 pronouns, you suffix them the same. Well, let's continue. عند, for أنت, you male, we say عندك. عندك قلم, do you have a pen? With أنت, عندك. أنتما, عندكما. أنتم, عندكم. أنتن, عندكن. You see, you never change the noun. Leave it as it is. You just suffix. The whole point, you just suffix all these letters. Let's continue. عند, and هو, عنده. For here, عندها. These 2 are the same. عندهما. Dual nouns. Remember, these 2 are dual nouns. For هم, group of male, عندهم. And the last one, عندهن. So remember, you just suffix the same pronouns here. Let's continue. Now I picked the noun سيارة. Why I picked سيارة? Because I want to show you if the noun ends with تا مربوطة, what you do. If you remember, if the noun ends with تا مربوطة, you switch it back to تا, the original letter. Then you suffix. So we keep all the suffixes the same, but we have to add تا before. And this is how we read it. سيارتي. سيارتنا. سيارتك. سيارتك. سيارتكما. We need ta every time. سيارتكم. سيارتكن. سيارته. سيارتها. سيارتهما, dual noun, both of them the same. سيارتهم. سيارتهن. Remember again, the last 4 pronouns, we suffix the same thing, the same pronouns. دفتر. Now it's your turn. Do دفتر with 13 pronouns. After you finish دفتر, I want you to do ساعة. This noun ends with تا مربوطة. You have to keep practicing. The more you practice, the more you will memorize.